Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel. I'm going to share with you how to make this Crochet Daisy Granny Square, and I used a H-hook and medium worsted yarn. You can find this pattern down below. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link for that as well down below in the description, and there are beginner stitches playlist to follow along if you need more help. Okay, so let's get started. In the magic ring, you're going to slip stitch into it and then work a chain 3. If this is your first time doing the magic ring, I have a link down below on how to do so. And then work 11 double crochet in the ring. So yarn over, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then complete until you have all 11 double crochet with the chain 3. Now you're going to pull it closed, slip stitch into that chain 3, okay, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, and then go into one of the double crochet, slip stitch into it, then you're going to chain 4, and then treble crochet 3 together. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over twice again, grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then you'll do that one more time, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you'll have the 4 on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to chain 3 and then repeat yarn over. In the next stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then do that for 3 more times because you don't have the chain 3, so you need to do it 3 more times. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. And then pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Then chain 3, and then repeat. You'll repeat this for a total of 12 petals. Then chain 3, repeat that all the way until you get back to the beginning. Now you're going to end with a chain 3 and then slip stitch into the beginning stitch and then fasten off. It's going to look like this. Make sure you have 12 petals. Now you're going to go into the chain 3 and slip stitch. Make sure you slip knot onto your hook, and then you're going to work a chain 3 and then double crochet twice. And then in the next chain space, you're going to work 3 double crochet. And then in this chain space, you're going to work a corner. So 3 double crochet. And then chain 2. And then 3 double crochet. You'll have 4 corners. So next you're going to work 3 double crochet 2 more times before your next corner, and then this is just all repeat. And then 3 double crochet. And then work your corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2. And then your chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now just finish around with 3 double crochet twice in a space and then a corner until you get back to the beginning. Now fasten off and take your yarn needle and connect it into the chain 3 to complete. Now weave in your ends. I hope you enjoyed this Crochet Daisy Granny Square tutorial. The pattern is down below. I'm going to make this Crochet Granny Square into a purse. I made 8 of them and I'm going to attach them together, come back in a few days after this video to watch the other video for the purse. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.